In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create 12 months infographic slide in PowerPoint, and this is how the slide works. When I click the first month, come here, you can see here Jan, and then the detailed text can be added here, and on my next click the February will come with a different color, then March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So you can see here you can add the 12 months infographic slide from Jan to December, and I've given some good gradient colors for each month. And if you want, you can do it without any animation also. So let's see how to do this in PowerPoint. Add a new slide, go to View, enable the guides, then go to Insert, Shapes, select the oval shape. Draw the oval shape by holding the Shift key so that you get a perfect circle. Maybe this much size. Shape outline, you can make it no outline and just put it exactly in the center of this line. You can see here. Then I'm going to give some gradient fill to it. Right mouse click, go to Format Shape and select the gradient fill. So by default 4 stops are there. I'm just going to delete 2 stops, you can see here, and then 1 stop I'm going to select and go to more colors. I can use any color combination, good color combination, maybe this color combination with kind of a pink color. Maybe you can see here this is the color combination. And then you can go to the effects and go to the 3D format, top bevel, make it this one round, you can see here, and then start increasing the width, something like this much size, you can see here, and drill down and just go and select the contour, just make it white and increase the size to maybe 2.5 or 3, because it will create a border of white color, because it is not visible, it is a white in the background. That's the reason you cannot see this one. But when I duplicate this, you can see here one white border is there. So I'm just going to take this border, the oval shape, and then I'm going to copy it to the bottom. If you want, you can just select this one and increase the contour also. You can, let me just increase it, maybe 5, that is much better, I can feel. And then I'm just going to select, press Ctrl D. So this is my second one. I'm just going to copy it here. So I'm going to copy 12 circles for 12 months. Ctrl D, you can see here. And then I'm going to select this all, press Ctrl D to duplicate, and then you can see here I'm adding here. So it is almost 8 now, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then I'm going to copy 4 more, Ctrl D, and then just add it here and make sure that this is properly aligned. So you can see here I've added all the 12 circles, and then you can just make sure that it is properly aligned. The next thing is to add the detailed text for each option. For that, go to Insert, Shapes, select the rectangle, draw a rectangle, small rectangle. You can see here shape outline, make it no outline, and shape fill, you can give some gray color, and you can increase or decrease the size with this one. So I'm just going to add it, press Ctrl D to duplicate this one, and then I'm just going to rotate this and increase. You can see here I can increase the width, and then I'm just going to put it exactly in the center. If you want, you can increase it further also, and make sure again it is properly aligned, and then press Ctrl D, add one more here exactly in the top, you can see here. Then I'm going to just select this, press Ctrl G to group it, and Ctrl D to duplicate it, and then I'm just going to add one by one for each option. You can see here, just press Ctrl D and make sure that it is properly aligned, and then Ctrl D and bring it down. And this one I'm just going to rotate it, flip vertical, and then just add it here. Again, press Ctrl D. You can see here you need to make sure that it is properly aligned, otherwise it won't look good in your slide or in your presentation. So please remember that. You can see here now I have added all those things. Now I can ungroup. I can just select one by one by holding the shift key. You can see here, and then right mouse click, group, ungroup this, and then I'm going to change the color of each option. So let me just select this option. Now whichever best color, if you feel that, then you can just simply select and fill it, but make sure that the color combination should look good. So you can see here I can just select one by one different color combinations. Maybe I can green, I can go ahead with this with kind of a fluorescent color. You can see here. Likewise, you can start creating and selecting the color of your choice one by one. So you can see here, for this I'm going to select some lighter colors, and then for this maybe I'm going to select this color with some different color combination. You can see here. So there are so many things, color combinations you can choose from the color palette. So you can see here I have added some different color combinations. It's up to you which color combinations you like to select here. And then I'm just going to select the top line, go to format, and then I can just go to the shape fill, and using the eyedropper I can use the same color. Can you see here? You can just do it one by one with the help of the eyedropper. If you don't have this eyedropper, then you can just simply come and select the color which you have used here. So like that you can change the color for all the options, and then go to insert text box. I'm going to type Jan. You can see here any font of your choice selected. I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to give some loose, and you can see here I can increase the size, and then I'm going to put it Jan here. You can see here, and the color I'm going to make it white. Press Ctrl D to duplicate and start adding the text one by one on each circles. You can see here each circle you can just add the text, and later you can just rename with the months. So you can see here I'm just pressing Ctrl D to duplicate, and then you can just add it slowly. So this is the last one now, and make sure that it is properly aligned. So this is Feb, you can see here March, April, May, this is June, this is July, August, September, October, November, and December. So you can see here I've added the months. Let me just remove the guides here, and then go to insert text box. You can add your detail text here. Maybe I can give gray color, reduce the size, maybe center align. You can see here, press Ctrl D. So you can add one by one like this, and add at the bottom also. And you have to make sure that you are aligned the text properly. I'm just going to select all this text by holding the shift key, go to format, align, and just say bottom. And here also you can align maybe top. So you can see here, this is the way you can create the 12 months infographic slide. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.